Lactate threshold analysis, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. Lactate threshold is the exercise intensity at which lactate starts to accumulate faster than your body can clear it. It is a key marker of endurance fitness. A card showing your estimated lactate threshold. Two large tiles side by side display. LT heart rate in BPM with a heart icon, and LT pace in mins sec per km with an activity icon. The backend reads lactate threshold data from the physiology or activity data normalized from your wearable. The response follows the lactate threshold data interface. Threshold HR BPM, number or null, threshold pace string in M, SS format or null, trend improving, stable or declining, timestamp ISO date of last estimate, and confidence, high, moderate, or low based on how many recent threshold estimates are available. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.